Hi everybody, this is Robin. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be unboxing a electronic box that I got from King Kong. I paid $124.87 for it, and I don't know how many items are in here, so we will find out as we open the box. And I gotta make this quick because I got about half my battery. So let's get down here to this box and see what I got. Let me make it a little bit more up there. There we go. And see, it's just a little small box. So I was expecting a little bit bigger box. But hopefully I have some good stuff in here. So we shall see. This is a 12 by 12 by 12 box. And in my invoice, got right there. Okay, first thing is it's open and it must have been used. It is a Apple charging cord. So I'll have to check that out. And this is a pin type moisture meter, but it's been open and I dropped it. And looks like something's missing and stuff, so I have to look at that and see what's going on with that. Here's another USB-C lightning cord for a an Apple iPhone or a iPad or a desktop, a laptop. Okay, and this here is an RCA amplifier. It's a Smart Boost indoor digital signal antenna amplifier. That's what that is. I'll have to check that out. I would open these up, but I gotta keep an eye on my battery. I'm not sure. Let's see. Whoa. Looks to be still, factory done. I don't know. I'll have to check it out and see what's what with it. I'll put that back in the box later, because I have a tendency of going too long with my videos with you guys. And I want to try and not make my videos so long. So, I'll deal with that later. And what is this? Oh, wow. This is a keyboard and a mouse. This is interesting. It must be a wireless keyboard. Looks to be in nice shape. I'll have to check it out and see if it works. And a little mouse to go with it. So I'll have to check that out. Let's see what kind it is. And it's a wireless keyboard. Another little USB connector for like an iPhone or iPad or something. That's what that is. I've used these. That's what it looks like. So I use these. I have used them. I have one. I like it. Here is a TV with a remote backlighting. I'll have to see if it's been used and see if it works. That's what that is. And here is a Memo Day HD 2K web camera. And Amazon warehouse. It's got the Amazon warehouse stickers on there, so, but I'll check this out and see if that works. That should bring me some decent money. It's all according to how much it's worth. Here is a 3-in-1 Type-C and Android PC endoscope. Okay. It looks like it's been used. And we'll see if this works and stuff when whatever you use it for. Well, it looks like I got a phone down there. What is this thing here? Oh, this is some sort of a battery to oh gosh. It's a battery to like maybe a drill or a weed whacker or something. So we'll see. I don't know if I can test this or not. I don't know if my husband has anything like this that I can test this with. So I'll have to do some research on that. And here we have another mouse. And they taped it right there, so I'll check that out. And what is this? I have no idea. Lacrosse Technology. Let's open her up and see. I'm watching my battery. I don't want this to stop, then I have to go and plug it in to finish my video. Whatever that is, I guess that's the battery thing. Okay, I have no idea what this thing does. I'll have to look it up. Has an alarm and search and snooze. Might be some sort of a clock or something. I don't know. I will look it up. I know I'm zooming through here, but no. I just don't want to make my video too long. And I'm watching my battery. I may end up having to run and get something, but hopefully not. We don't have too many of these in here. And down in the description, I'll let you guys know how many items I got in this little box. Oh, okay, this is another type of a tripod and stuff for a phone. Oh, it's got a little case and everything. Look at that. Oh, it's nice. That's nice. I'll have to look that up and see how much this is worth. I need to at least make enough money to get some good stuff to make enough money to make my money back. And my health box from King Kong. So far, I'm about halfway there at making my money back on that box. This is a pro gaming headset. And I don't know how to use one of these, so maybe I can have my daughter test it because you can use it on a Switch. And she has a Switch, so I'll see if she can test it for me. See if it works. Now, and then we have a accessory headset. I guess it's a phone. This box is messed up. Of course. It's just a cordless phone. It's just one that might sell. I'll have to try and see if I can check it out. I don't have a phone line anymore. Never did, really. I have no idea. Can't pronounce it. Anyhow, it's got cords. It's got like a little bag. It's a Chunga something or other. I have no idea. Huh. Well, it might be a, I don't know, this goes in and out, so this might come out. It might be for a CD or something, player thing. I'll check it out. Let y'all know what it is in the description. Here is another Raycon Chat for Xbox. So I'll be checking this out. I don't know how to test this because nobody in here has an Xbox. Okay, and this says Voyager. It's a little I don't know if this has been used or not. I'm not sure if what it is exactly. There's no instructions or anything to this, but it still has the plastic on the back. It doesn't have the charger, so I don't know if this will be worth anything. Some kind of a headset. So I'll figure out what that is. And we have one last one. The box is empty. Oh, it has something in here. Some little doodad. I don't know. I don't know what that little thing is. But I'll keep it off to the side just in case I might need it. And I have no clue what this is. Let's see what it is. Oh, it's looks like some gaming headgear. And it has like this big thing here, and it has like the little bag to keep it in. So we'll see what that is and what it's worth. So that is everything in my little box. Hopefully everything is good and everything works. And I know that there'll probably be some things that probably won't work, like that little headset thing. But I'm going to go ahead and count and see how many was in this box. So that's one. It's two. Try and put this at least back in here. Oh, well, I ain't gonna do that. I don't want to mess up the box. That's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, whoops, what was that, 15 to 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So I got 20 items in this box. So I'll have to do the math and I'll let you know what price. Well, let me just do it right now. I can do that right here on my phone. Let's see, I paid $124.87 divided by, how many items did I say? I forgot. I hate that. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay. About $6.57 each. That's how much that is. So I need to make that back plus more to make a profit. So I'm hoping some of the stuff is worth more than what I said. So we shall see. I will check these things out and see if they work and see what they're going for on eBay and Amazon. Since these are Amazon returns, as you can see that they have the Amazon stickers and stuff. Of course, this one doesn't. So I'll have to check these things out. A lot of these things have to be sold as an open box because I think almost all of it's been used. I don't think any of it is new and factory sealed. No. And I have no idea if that will work on my tablet to see if it works, so, but we'll find out. And I don't know about this thing. I don't know if it's missing something or what, but we'll find out when I look at it, because it looks like it's missing something. But I'll look it up and I'll find out. Hopefully I can make some money off this box. So I want to thank everybody for tuning in and watching this little unboxing of the electronics. I got better than what I thought. I thought I wasn't going to get that good of stuff, but I think I did get some good stuff in here to resell. And I will let you know on some of these things. I'll look them up and maybe put them down in the description or in the video. I'll let you know how much some of this stuff is going for. So thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching. Please give me the thumbs up, subscribe, and share. I need all the subs I can get to get to 300. I'm a little over 200 now, about like 208, I think. So let's get us going here. And I will see you guys on the next video, which will be Chit Chat Saturday. Don't forget that. I will be recording that. And if you have any questions that you might want to ask, you know, just leave me a comment and I will try to answer you the best I can. And I will see you all on the next video. Bye.